over. That's no money. Now what's next, Blue? Blue flies back the table and guess what? Blue wants two. Your money. Now, okay na nag-donate ni Blue. Yeah, sure. Since okay naman kahabot a second round. This time, so, sa papalit na itong loud nila.
Walk out, Day!
Last one, so actually, it's just part of the show. We'll return your money. But first, we will show a picture with you for sale.
Wow!
So please follow Trainer Vince's instruction. Pwede naman mo yung si Trainer Vince. Now give us your best smile and pose together with our funny bird, Blue.
Post, Day! Post! Ana! Mura po kag bird!
Alright.